Okay, so there's, I keep fucking up the video. I'm really sorry about that. I really just can't stop thinking about the wiggle machine. Okay, right. Ah, fuck. Here, hold this.
Do I get to go behind you with a camera?
I mean, yeah, if you'd like to.
Okay.
Okay. These are so He's like right up there.
This is what we do. But yeah, this gets very hot up here.
Wow, yeah, this is no one's room.
Which is why we had a fan. This is supposedly like a guest room. You're already sweating, aren't you? Yeah.
It was a wiggle machine, actually. Running water.
Nice little desk area. Bed.
You know, stuff. More stuff.
Box
And
fan.
now we're going down.
Because it's too hot.
It's way, like, not even. The stairs are really cool.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, other than that, yeah, those are scary.
Just wait till you get very drunk and you try to walk these.
I would not. I would not in a million years.
Okay.
Is that a tie-up?
Yeah. Yeah. With AstroTurf.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm dead serious.
That's amazing. Wait.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay. That's not a tie-up? Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a patio.
Yeah. I didn't lie to you.
Well, where's the light? Is there no light?
It doesn't look like it.
Okay.
Oh.
This is the, all this smoker song.
Hey, turn on the...
Flash?
Oh, it's still very dark.
Yeah, it's really dark.
This is AstroTurf there.
AstroTurf. Silver nails. Silver swimsuit. Where's silver nails?
You're matching.
I'm the best.
Taller.
I know.
And then back down
Thanks,
the way.
Pluto. Wait, we could probably put the screen up, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. You do that. I'm just going to see myself down these stairs. Okay, so this is where we're going. Neat. Watch my feet. Do I hear dogs? Where's the dog? Okay. So that is going to conclude the tour of the cursed house. Hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did. Pluto, thank you. Hopefully you'll see more of it. I guess they're getting like 8 cameras in here, so keep an eye out. There's Pat. And there's me, and I'm going to go now. Bye.